Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. If I put number 0 on here and here, we have 1 minus 1, we have 0 in here. 1 minus 1, we have 0 in here. So we can use about L hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So first derivative of this one, we will have about 1 over 3, and we have 1 plus x to the power of 2 to the power of 1 over 3 minus 1. And later that we do first derivative of 1 plus s squared, and we have 2s. This is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. First derivative of cosine s, we have negative sine s, negative and negative, and we have sine s. Next, this one, that is about negative number 2 over 3, and s I will put into the denominator. We will have about sine s over s. Next, we have the formula in here. This one you got about number 1. So if I put number 0 on here and here, we have number 1. Now we have the final answer. I will put number 0 in here, multiply by number 2 over number 1. So we simplify this one, and we have 2 over 3. Because this one we have 1, this one we have 1, so we just only have number 2 over 3. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.